Welcome back, you crazy gun nuts. Today we're taking a look at the Mantis X10 Elite shooting system. Mantis reached out to me a while back and asked me if I'd be interested in one of these, one of their systems, and I said, yeah, sure. I think with the crowd that I have and the guys that watch my channel, we could possibly benefit from being a better shot. So I figured this would be a better addition to the channel than something for a rifle, because I do a lot more pistol content. So I just wanted to open this up and show you guys what's inside the box. One thing that I do want to do with this, it's almost December. I'm going to use the whole entire month of December, and I want to train with this every single day. And I'm not even sure what's in it. You just saw I just cut the seal on it, but I want to use this every single day for a month, and I want to get a baseline on what my shooting is, what my dry fire is from day one to the end of the month. So I'm kind of looking forward to that, to see if this really does help, and if it can help me be a better shooter, it can help anybody be a better shooter, because a lot of times my targets look like buckshot. So let's see if this actually works. You got your open it up. We have a quick start guide. You have to download the app on your phone or tablet, whatever you're using it on. It says you attach the smart sensor to your firearm and you open the Mantis X app. So it's very well packaged. It's got a nice little case that it comes with there. And it says welcome on the inside. Man, that is so welcoming. Let's go ahead and open her up. See what's on the inside here. It does come with a sticker. That is kind of cool. I love when things come with stickers. I think everything by law should come with a sticker. Even gas. You buy gas, you should get a sticker. Hey, I got gas today. It comes with a nice little sticker. We'll throw that on the toolbox. Comes with these rubber pieces. We're not sure what that is. We'll look into that. Comes with the charging cable for this. It looks like a USB-C to a standard USB. Okay, now I understand what that is for. You can attach these also to a rifle or shotgun barrel. And I'm guessing that these rubber pieces here are for attaching. You can make a Picatinny rail out of this and attach it to your shotgun or rifle barrel, and you can use this for feedback from a shotgun or rifle or a handgun. And here is your sensor. It's a very small little piece. It's not very big. It almost looks like one of those little lasers you put under your barrel. But from what I understand, this has a lot of technology in it, and it should help anybody be a better shooter. It also has this little package inside of it. We'll see what's in here. It's the Picatinny rail. It says it's universal. I'm not sure if I can open it. It doesn't open. This does not open. It says clean and dry surface with included wipes. Remove red backing from tape. Press adapter on with strong pressure for 30 seconds. Let cure 24 hours before use. So basically what this looks like is just a small Picatinny mount that you can put to a gun that does not have a Picatinny mount on it, which that's a really good thing to have. That seems to me like it would just be a lot better than a lot of other systems where you have to put a laser inside the gun to make that work. So we'll set that out of the way. And it comes with hardware. So this hardware here, I'm guessing, is for this mount, which this is plastic. You probably don't want to run this with a light or anything, just due to the fact that it's plastic and it goes on your barrel. Once your barrel heats up, this plastic is going to melt. But I plan on putting this on my Beretta clone. I have a Gerson. It's gold. It has the double action trigger on it, so I don't have to worry about resetting it every time I want to shoot. I can have that long trigger pull, and having that long trigger pull might help with shooting single action, due to the fact that you have to be steady pulling that long trigger back every single time. So we're going to try it on that, see how it goes, and I may end up putting it on a Glock to just see how it works on that. But I do plan on putting it on my gold Gerson just for practice. And also it comes with a little cleaning cloth. I'm guessing this is for after you use your alcohol. You can wipe your spot dry where you want to stick your 3M tape on for the Picatinny mount. And it also comes with a screw if you want to mount this through there. And you can screw it onto a Picatinny rail. Or possibly, I don't know, maybe you want to use a M-lock. Say if you don't have a open Picatinny spot in your rifle or your pistol, maybe you can put a just a standard Picatinny mount on it to use for your Mantis dry fire system. But that is my goal for the month of December. I plan on using this to see how much better of a shooter it can make me, and I'm not too proud to admit that I need work, quite a bit of it. And if this works really well with my pistol, I might pick up one of the Blackbeard systems that go into your AR. That way I can practice with it also and get better shooting my AR pistols and rifles. But if you're interested in one of these systems, there will be a link in the description on where you can pick one of these up at. And by buying one with that link, all you're doing is helping the channel. If you do buy through that link, then you just do decide to get one. Alright, I do appreciate you guys watching this unboxing video, and if you watch my videos on a regular, which I haven't been able to post for a while, I do really appreciate that, and would love it if you wanted to subscribe and see what else we do on the channel. And as always, thanks for watching, stay safe, and let's take back our Second Amendment.